Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Welcome to our video. Today, we're going to learn something exciting and easy to understand. We'll explain the basics step by step so everyone can follow along. Let's get started. Have you ever looked at your fridge and felt overwhelmed by a handful of random vegetables? The solution isn't ordering takeout. It's building a vibrant, nutrient-dense meal that looks as good as it tastes. A Buddha bowl is essentially a giant hug in a bowl, typically filled with various small portions of grains, proteins and greens. While rice or quinoa are the traditional choices, adding noodles to the mix completely changes the energy of the meal. It turns a light snack into a satisfying, slurp-worthy dinner that keeps you full for hours. Noodle bowls are spectacular for anyone trying to eat more plants and less processed junk. They act as a blank canvas for whatever you have on hand, making them the ultimate tool for reducing food waste. You can toss in that last bit of purple cabbage, a handful of frozen peas, or the half block of tofu sitting in the back of the shelf. Because these bowls are so flexible, they're perfect for beginners who want to eat healthy without following a rigid, stressful recipe. Using noodles provides a comforting, slippery texture that contrasts beautifully with crunchy raw vegetables and creamy sauces. Whether you want something light and refreshing or thick and chewy, the right noodle base sets the tone for your entire meal. Let's look at how you can pick the best foundation to keep your healthy eating habits exciting and delicious every single day. Choosing the best noodle base for your healthy bowl. The base of your bowl dictates how the flavors will interact. If you're looking for something that won't weigh you down, you'll want to focus on varieties that offer nutritional benefits beyond just simple carbohydrates. The goal is to find a balance between flavor, texture, and how the noodles hold up against dressings. Since Buddha bowls often sit for a few minutes while you assemble toppings, you need a noodle that won't turn into a sticky mess. Gluten-free options like rice noodles and soba. If you want a lighter feel or have dietary restrictions, rice noodles and soba are your best friends. Rice vermicelli is thin, delicate, and absorbs sauces like a sponge. To keep them from getting mushy, don't boil them like regular pasta. Instead, soak them in very hot water for a few minutes until they're tender but still have a bit of a bite. This technique keeps them bouncy and prevents them from clumping together into a giant ball. Soba noodles, made from buckwheat, offer a nutty flavor that pairs perfectly with ginger and soy. Buckwheat is a seed, not a grain, so traditional 100% buckwheat soba is naturally gluten-free. Just check the label to ensure no wheat flour was added. These noodles are packed with fiber and protein, making them a powerhouse for a healthy bowl. Rinse them under cold water immediately after cooking to remove excess starch. This makes them much more pleasant to eat in a cold or room temperature bowl. That's the end of part 1. We hope you learned something helpful and interesting today. Stay tuned for part 2. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.